The 2K Dual Dash Cam D20 offers impressive front and rear video recording capabilities, capturing clear footage with its 2,160-pixel front camera and 1,080-pixel rear camera. With built-in wireless functionality, this dash cam allows seamless connectivity with your smartphone, making it simple to download, review, and manage settings without removing the device from your car's windshield. Its dual parking monitor system provides enhanced security, utilizing a G-sensor to detect impacts and a time-lapse mode to efficiently review extended parking periods. The emergency recording feature automatically locks and saves critical video files upon detecting sudden vibrations, ensuring that important footage is secure and not overwritten. Designed to withstand high temperatures, the dashcam's innovative no-lithium battery design minimizes the risk of overheating and prolongs its lifespan. Compact and discreet, the 1.5-inch screen dashcam fits seamlessly into your vehicle setup, providing a reliable and unobtrusive recording solution.